Hi, I am Abhishek Bakre. I am AI Cloud Engineer Associate at Y Technologies. We are excited to share our latest update with you. Dynamic documentation powered by Docusaurus and Raaghu design system. Using Docusaurus, which is based on React, we are completely revamped how to create and manage our docs. It's super easy to use, letting our team focus on the content while Docusaurus handles the heavy lifting. Docusaurus is highly customizable and packed with powerful features. Make our documentation as dynamic as our development. And when we pair it with Raaghu design system, our docs get clean and proper with modern look. This integration ensures a seamless user experience across all our platforms. Responsive and user-friendly. Our new documentation looks great on all devices. Check out our new Raaghu docs with Docusaurus and Raaghu design system. Visit our site to learn more and get started. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.